We are updating the situation at the Ukrainian pocket in the south. Ukrainian forces made an advance in night attacks west of Novoprokopivka. Russians continue to have heavy losses in fighting between Robotine and Verbovi. Reportedly, in a drone attack on Belgorod region of Russia, an S-400 Russian Triumph air defense system was destroyed. It costs about $1.2 billion. Russian telegram channels reported that about 20 explosions were heard in the area where the system was located. There was a power outage in settlements nearby. This is the second Russian Triumph complex destroyed in the past month. The first one was hit in Yevpatoria on September 14th. Russians might need to think of a new name for this complex. Triumph means triumph or victory from now on. In southern Ukraine, a UK-supplied AIM-132 surface-to-air missile system in Ukrainian service downs a Russian, Iranian Shahed 131 drone. And Ukrainian attacks made an exodus of Russian ships from Sevastopol. Russian Black Sea Fleet moved most of its ships from Sevastopol to Novorossiysk. All three operational submarines of Project 06363, Kilo class, both frigates of Project 11356, Admiral Grigorovich class, and one patrol ship moved to Novorossiysk. Project 1135M, Krivak class frigate, 5 large landing ships, and apparently the bulk of small missile ships are also in Novorossiysk. Another part of the ships, 1 large landing ship, 2 small missile ships, and both new minesweepers of Project 12700, Alexandrit class, moved from Sevastopol to Feodosia. The war of anti-fascist partisans with military registration and enlistment offices continue in Russia. The head of the Russian Occupation Administration of Zaporizhia, Yevgeny Belitsky, says Russia will reconquer Poland, Finland, and the Baltic states because they are historical lands of Russia. Russian imperialism never died, although their reality check sure did.
Российская империя, когда шатнулась после большевистского переворота и пошла по другому пути развития, потеряла очень много своих подданных. Я сейчас про земли не говорю, это само собой, я понимаю, что это и Варшава, и Гельсинфорс, Хельсинки, и Ревель, и Лейпая, и само собой Прибалтика вся. Это все наши земли, и наши люди там живут. То, что из них сейчас сделали стадо бессловесное, тварей дрожащих, то мы должны это поправить. И поправим мы это силой русского оружия. Никакую дипломатию я в данном случае не верю. Ну, возможно, дипломатия всегда должна присутствовать, это понятно. Но я считаю, что мы можем это вернуть только силой русского оружия. Вернуть своих людей, своих подданных, тогда Российской империи, сейчас Российской Федерации. И чтобы весь мир не превратился в тот Содом и Гоморру, который сейчас творится в Европе.
A brilliant development that will make Putin and Shoigu go crazy, an invisibility cloak for the armed forces of Ukraine. Ukrainians have created super protection against Russian thermal imagers and drones with thermal imaging cameras. The cloak blocks heat radiation and makes fighters invisible to the enemy, said the head of the Ministry of Digital Development, Mikhailo Fedorov, noting that these are victory technologies from Brave One. The development is compact and lightweight, weight up to 5 kilograms, has high protection from rain and wet snow. The raincoat does not burn and protects from high temperatures. Ukrainian Ministry of Defense says, "Thank you, Belgium." Ukrainian Spetsnaz from the 73rd Maritime Special Operations Center fires HX-supplied PZD 556 light machine gun manufactured by the Czech company DSS at training ground. Looks like he loves it.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you wanna support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.